So this is the border. It's really sad. It's really sad. There's someone watching me as well. Must be a really tight security place, I don't know. But there's signs saying that you're trespassing government property and that, I don't know. People there look happy. It's just so sad. Like, the closer I got to this wall coming from that side over there, it didn't look like there were some barricades or anything like that. It was just like, I don't know, a fence to me. But then the closer I got, there were barbed wires. I think that's what made it more drastically sad. But yeah, I want to go beyond those cones, but I don't think I can because there's a vehicle watching me from atop. But this is it, US-Mexico border with San Diego, Tijuana side. It's a nice beach day though.